All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the overview of my soap review. So this one is my soap, I like to say, I guess I'll call it like soap wars. So this one is pretty much talking about all three soaps that I use on a daily basis and which one is my go-to and which one, I would highly recommend that you use. So we have Crazy Larry's, Ettore Squeegee Off, and the Unger Easy Glide solution. So for me, the one I use on a daily basis every single time I go out is the Unger, is obviously my Dawn soap, which is in here. So it's those four: Dawn soap, Crazy Larry's, Unger, and Ettore's solution. So obviously the number one is always Dawn soap. I use Dawn Platinum just to help with that, so it has that extra grease fighting properties. So my number one is always going to be Dawn soap. If I were to run out of these, I would always just stick with Dawn soap as like I said, it's the most cost-effective one and it does the job. So my number two, and then in no real order because I like them all equally. Like, these are all good products, but the one that I will always keep rebuying and just keep using just because it's truly my favorite would be the Unger Easy Glide glass cleaner. It's just a really good product. Like I said, it's the one I started out with and the one I've been using. I pretty much always grab this one when I make my solution mix. So I always grab this, mix it with some Unger soap. The solution suds up a lot. It creates such a good slippery environment on the glass, if you will. Never have any hack marks, never it doesn't dry up that fast. So I think at the end of the day, my favorite one to mix with my Dawn soap is this one. Like I said, you can buy this in this size, the 32 ounces, or you can buy it in a gallon. It is pretty cheap. It's like 20 bucks for the gallon, $10 bucks for this. The other ones are good too. I don't have any issues with the other ones, like the super concentrate. This one I can't use it on its own. It does not, it cleans well, but it doesn't suds up well, so it doesn't really look good on camera. And then this one is the Crazy Larry's one, which is really good. I can use it just by itself with no extra soap added from Dawn or anything. But like I said, it's rather expensive and I have a heavy hand when it comes to pouring. So for me, this one is just, it's expensive, but I don't use it that often, so the price doesn't really matter to me. Like, if this was just the only one I get, then yes, that'd be pretty expensive. But if you have multiple soaps that you use, like for me, I use all three. Like I said, I prefer the Unger one, but I don't really care at the end of the day. I just grab whichever soaps I grab. But yeah, so at the end of the day, do you need all these other kinds of soaps? No. Dawn soap is pretty much the way to go. That's all you really need. All this other stuff is just to create a more, I guess, a better gliding environment on the glass for your squeegee. But do you need this? No. Do you need the Ettore one? No. Do you need Crazy Larry's? No. These are all personal preferences. You might need it. I don't know. You might just love these things, these chemical brands, and go ahead. I'm not stopping you. So yeah, so if you want to just get in the game, I just suggest Dawn soap. It's all you really need at the end of the day. But if you like these, go ahead, use these. But to me, my personal favorite is the Unger one. But like I said, at the end of the day, I don't really care. I just use whichever ones I grab off the truck and then just go from there. It's not like, oh, I grabbed the Ettore one. Oh, that sucks. I didn't throw it back. No, I have them to have them. I don't necessarily need to buy these. Like I said, all I really use is Dawn soap anyway. So these are just here because, like I said, I buy them, but I don't go through them that often. So I really don't care what they cost. And yeah, so anyways, my overall winner is always going to be Dawn soap. And then my personal favorite to add to that is the Easy Glide from Unger. So link will be down below for any of these products that you want to go ahead and use. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. Hopefully these helped out. And till the next one, peace.